Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today I'm showing you how I flat iron my natural hair for a sleek silky finish without excessive heat damage. Let's get right into the video. To get that smooth silky press, I already stretched my hair with a blow dryer. This will help to reduce the number of passes I'll need with the flat iron. Now I section my hair into small parts. I'm doing 2 parts right here. The smaller the section, the sleeker the results. I'm using the Revlon flat iron at 450 degrees. Now, my friends, always use a heat setting that works for your hair type to avoid unnecessary heat damage. Now it's time to press. Now you can use the chase method with a fine-tooth comb to get each strand as smooth as possible. I am not using a comb because I find it hard to handle the comb with my iron, so I don't. I only do 1 slow pass per section to minimize heat exposure. Look at that shine. Your silk press is only as good as your prep. I started with a deep cleanse using the Coral Starter shampoo to remove buildup, followed by my moisturizing deep conditioner to keep my hair soft and strong. Then I applied my secret weapon, a heat protectant. This is already done during that process, and this is non-negotiable. Y'all, if you're not using heat protectant, you're asking for trouble. I use the Coral Starter protectant as well because it protects my hair at certain degrees. This side is already done. You can see how sleek and shine that is. Now I'll just jump over to the other side of my head to continue with my flat ironing process. Just use this to hold this side. so hot. Anyways. Now that my hair is now pressed and laid, I have already locked in the silkiness with the lightweight oil. I use the Coral Daughters oil as well. I love Coral Daughters, by the way, because it works well with my hair. It keeps my hair soft, silky, and smooth. So definitely I do recommend Coral Daughters for natural hair, you know, and I use it to add that shine and fight humidity. Then I usually wrap my hair with my silk scarf, but now because I am getting ready for work and doing this video, I will avoid that part of it. But yeah, please wrap your hair using a silk cloth at all times. Now guys, you see my hair, you see how silky straight it is, you see how smooth it is. I'm right here, I'm just showing my ends. My hair ends need a little bit of clipping, but this is something that I have to go to the salon to get done because I wanted to get it trimmed evenly. And just like that, I'm all done. Look at the movement, no stiff hair around here. Now, if you all enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what's your go-to method for straightening your hair without damage. See you in the next video. Bye. And I'm wearing a red sweater. It's actually freezing cold outside, so that's what is been happening here in my neck of the woods here in Canada. So guys, I hope you liked the video. Remember, leave all your thoughts down below in the comment section. Share with a friend, tell a friend about my channel.